In the forestry industry, work is done in two different shifts. The job is independent and responsive. Operating a forest machine requires the driver to have skills in using high-tech equipment and the ability to take responsibility for both the expensive machinery and the surrounding en tiedä mikä toi.
The forest machine operator must also be able to fell trees manually. Trees get more light and room to grow when clearing is correctly scheduled. Well-maintained machines are crucial for ensuring that the work is done efficiently and safely. Teamwork is needed for quality services of the machines.
Using trucks instead of wheels prevents machines from damaging the terrain or vegetation.
Recreational use of forest is also important. Hiking and camping are popular ways to pass the time. Forest provides sustainable construction material.
Everyman's rights allow people to freely pick berries and mushrooms. Much of forest work is seasonal work and done in winter time. Firewood is stored in the forest for hikers and campers to use.